Oh God, I just had the worst dream.
Yep. Tell me about it. Welcome to Congruity Mondays. Today we're going to show you how we pulled off this effect. Cloning yourself is a really popular effect, and depending on what you're trying to pull off, it's relatively easy, like giving yourself a twin brother when you're an only child.
10 minutes.
You can do it in less than an hour by home dinner.
You're on. Who was that? I was.
Didn't we only have one kid?
Yeah, I thought so.
To accomplish this effect, you're going to need a tripod, a camera, obviously, and an editing software that allows you to do green screen and or masking, which is also known as rotoscoping. First off, you need a camera on a tripod. This is to keep the background steady and stable while your clones are doing their thing in the middle. If you try to do a handheld shot or a sit camera movement, just stop now, please. You're not ILM, please stop. It's not gonna work. Just kidding. You do whatever you want. Once you get your camera all ready, just walk around your room and make it seem like you have friends or siblings and COVID's gone and everything's nice. Now there's two different ways you can do this effect. One with a green screen, or you can mask it by hand. I personally prefer masking by hand because my green screen work sometimes, most of the times, looks like trash. So if you are good with green screen, then go right ahead and use green screen, but I'm not. So for us that are really trashy at green screen, we're gonna go by hand. Rule number one for this effect, as we have said, do not move the camera. The whole point in this effect is to keep your background stable so it makes it look like there's multiple views or multiple different things in this one situation. So don't move the camera. Now once you're finished filming, it's time to become a mad scientist and clone yourself. Take your footage and layer it into the editor of choice. We're using Premiere Pro. Then import it into After Effects, which is my visual effects software of choice. If you don't have that, because I know it can be expensive for some, I know there are a bunch of different free softwares that do offer masking or rotoscoping options. So then I took a clip of me in the chair and a clip of me on the bed and did a very basic mask to bring the two together. Then I pre-composed the two clips to make them one and did a more detailed mask around the chair to reveal me in the way back. And then we had our finished shot. If you have more movement between the clones, you may have to do more extensive and more detailed rotoscoping work going frame by frame. That's what we had to do with the opening sequence from the skit last week. It was a real pain in the neck to get that done. It was oh god, it was bad. But there you go. That's how simple the effect is. Just film yourself multiple times and rotoscope around yourself. And now you can clone yourself as many times as you like. You can clone whatever you'd like. Anyone else you can clone. You can have fun with it. If you do have any questions or if I missed something, please leave it in the comments below and I'm going to sound like your classic YouTuber and tell you to smash that like button and please subscribe if you haven't. We really do appreciate your support. Before I go, I would like to give a really big shout out to a secondary channel that I work on once a week as well, called Symmetries. It's my dad's channel. We do a whole bunch of different things. If you like 3D printing, fishing, hunting, boat stuff, basically if you go on the channel you'll find something that you could potentially enjoy or that you do enjoy. So please check it out. Give him love. He needs. I feel bad having more subscribers than him. I really do. So yeah, go check it out. Give him some love. Subscribe to his channel. All the links will be down below. And yeah, that's it for me today. And I will see you next week when we delve into the beautiful world of photography.
You know, this is fuzzier than this side.
Is it? It's weird. It's so funny. Weren't you gonna make coffee? He said I had one line to say. I said my line, Elijah. Didn't we only have one kid?
Yeah, I thought so.
Something you want to tell me about?